Hello everyone, welcome back with Onshape basic tutorials how to change dimension. Okay, for example, I will draw simple part. I will choose top plan, click sketch, and we draw rectangle. You can set for dimension. I will set into 50, and the next I will set 100. Click OK. Use extrude tools to convert into 3D this rectangle object. Now, if you want to change dimension for this rectangle, you can click sketch one in here, double click. To be sure to sketch one edit, like I will change 50 into 80 and 100, we set into 20. Click OK, and then it will be automatically updated. I will draw hole in this space. You can click sketch, and I will use point tools. Okay, now use hole tools to create hole from this point. Set for diameter, I will set 5. Click OK. If you want to change this hole dimensions, you can double click in hole here, and I will change into 10 points. And for distance, you can click sketch 2. Use dimension tools. You can set distance. In here, I will set into 8, and the next we set again. In here, into 20. If you're done, click OK, and it will be automatically updated for the position. Okay, that's it, how to change dimensions in Onshape. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.